Today, ZLNBL consists of Aliyah, Zareef, Alysha, and Fatimah will be presenting about computer network.
So what is computer network? Computer network can be defined as a set of interconnected autonomous systems that facilitate distributed processing of information. The key objectives of computer network. The first one is secure remote access. Ensures that users have a safe way of accessing and working on sensitive data even when they are away from a company premises. Enable multiple layers of authentication to ensure that unauthorized person can't access the system. Second one, cost saving. Since it enables employees to access information in seconds, networks save operational time and subsequently costs. Centralized network administration also means that fewer investments need to be made for IT support. The third one, resource availability and reliability. The network ensures that resources are not present in inaccessible silos and are available from multiple points. The high reliability comes from the fact that there are usually different supply authorities. And the last one, reduction of errors. Networks reduce errors by ensuring that all involved parties acquire information from a single source, even if they are viewing it from different locations. Backup data provides consistency and continuity.
There are four key components in computer network. The first one is nodes, or commonly known as client. Client is devices that are connected to the network, and they can be computers, servers, routers, switches, or any device. The second one is network interface cards, or NICs. NICs are hardware components that allow nodes to connect to the network, and they provide a physical interface for data to be sent and received. The third one is router. Routers are devices that connect different networks together. They also determine the best path for data to travel between networks and can also perform network address translation, or NAT, to share a single public IP address among multiple devices on a local network. And the last one is switches. Switches used to connect devices within the same network, and they operate at the data link layer and efficiently forward data only to the device it's intended for, and also reducing the network traffic.
Moving on to the next slide, types of computer network. The first one is the local area network, or LAN. It is the most common network type. It connects devices within a limited geographical area. It also allows users to connect within a short distance in a common area. Once they connect, users have access to the same resources. For example, LAN can be used in schools, hospitals, or office buildings. The second one is the Wide Area Network, or WAN. It is an extensive network that is not confined to geographical space, which means it covers larger areas. Corporations and international companies may use WANs to provide a common network with far-reaching connectivity. For example, WAN also can be used between large cities, states, and even countries. Next, Cloud Network. It is a wide area network, or WAN, that hosts users and resources and allows the two to communicate through cloud-based technologies. Lastly, Virtual Private Network, or VPN. It is a private network that is available through the internet. This type of network provides a secure, private connection. Thus, both the general public and companies can use VPNs to ensure privacy and security.
Let's move on to the pros and cons of computer network. The main point of computer network is actually resource sharing, which allows you to share a single software among multiple users. We can also share hardware devices via this technique. Secondly, there's remote working, which allows employees to work from home or other locations outside of the office. This has become especially important during the COVID-19 pandemic. Last but definitely not the least, there's e-commerce, which allows businesses to sell their products and services online and reach a global market. However, let's move on to the disadvantages. Execution of computer network can be expensive in the case of an initial setup, as the wires and the cost of the cables are high and sometimes equipment is also costly. The spreading of viruses can happen throughout the network to another computer, and in case of a crash, it can lead to inaccessibility of information for some time. As you can see, there are many different types of computer networks in the world today, from wired to wireless to even a network that could span across an entire nation. Our generation's technology has amazingly evolved and will only continue to grow and connect people from all over the world. So, next time you email a long-lost friend who is miles away, you can thank computer networking for making it possible. That is all from us. Thank you.